In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Navy Federal in 2025. Whether you're sending funds for the first time or you're already familiar with the process, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity. So let's dive in. To start, open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device. Once you have the app open, you will need to sign in using your online ID and passcode. Remember to ensure that your login credentials are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. It's a good practice to keep your login information secure. Avoid writing it down where others can see it. Once you are logged into your Bank of America account, navigate to the main menu. Here, you'll find the option marked Transfer Zelle. Tap on this to proceed. This section of the app is specifically designed to help you move money between accounts, whether they're within Bank of America or elsewhere. Next, you'll be given an option to choose how and where you want to send your money. Look for and select Transfer to from other banks, external accounts. This is the choice you'll make when you want to send money to your Navy Federal account. In the next step, you'll need to add your Navy Federal account to your Bank of America profile. Tap on Add Account. Here, you will be prompted to specify whether the account you are adding is a checking or a savings account. Enter your account type accordingly. Then, you'll be asked for the Navy Federal routing number as well as your specific account number. The Navy Federal routing number you need is 256074974. Double check these numbers to make sure they're correct, as any errors can delay your transfer process. After setup, Bank of America will initiate 2 small test deposits into your Navy Federal account. This step usually takes between 1 to 2 business days. Once you see these deposits in your Navy Federal account, go back to your Bank of America app, sign in, and verify the test deposit amounts. This crucial step confirms the link between your accounts, allowing future transfers to be processed smoothly. With your accounts linked, it's time to make the transfer. Return to the Transfer Zelle section on your app, navigate to External Accounts, and select your Navy Federal account from the list. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to review the details for accuracy before moving forward. Once everything looks good, tap on Submit Transfer. This action will send the funds from your Bank of America account to your Navy Federal account. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage your transfers with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay subscribed for more banking tips and tutorials.